Everything starts with mountains of raw steel. A floating giant crossing the world's oceans. Its size dwarfs everything around it. A true giant built to conquer the seas. These giants transport millions of tons worldwide. From above, their scale becomes truly astonishing. Powerful waves reveal the force of their journey. Global trade depends on ports like these.
The heat map indicates a potential stress fracture near the keel in heavy seas.
Agreed. We can reinforce that section without compromising the lightweighting strategy. The ballast system integration needs adjustment here. Isolating that valve compromises the flow regulator. We could reroute the conduit through auxiliary compartment C.
The stress analysis on the midship section is still showing high concentration here. Right.
If we adjust the bulkhead spacing, it might distribute the load better.
We need to verify this cross-section against the revised plans. The tolerance is critical here. Yeah.
It looks slightly off according to the digital model.
Well done, gentlemen. The keel is officially laid. This is a proud day for the shipyard.
The hydrodynamic resistance spiked here, likely due to the turbulence. Yes, but the trajectory is stabilizing now. Engine output looks optimal.
The cathodic protection system relies on these anodes slowly corroding, thus saving the ship's hull from the harsh marine environment.
protect the injector line right here. Copy that. Log in the issue now.
At 9 meters across, this is the largest bronze propeller we've ever produced on site.
Docking a vessel of this magnitude requires precision. At 300 meters long, the scale is difficult to comprehend, dwarfing the trucks and workers on the ground.
The MV Prosperity, one of the largest vessels of its kind, begins its journey across the vast Pacific.